Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how I prepare my Bobby fried chicken. So what I'm going to be doing here is remove the excess fat and clean up my chicken and cut them into smaller pieces. So now we're going to wash our chicken with our vinegar. I clean my chicken and wash it with my vinegar and all of that. These are the seasons that I'll be using: Maggi all-purpose, Maggi chicken, and some cayenne pepper, and also some other all-purpose season that I bought at the market. And then our blended green seeds, which include pepper, onion, garlic, scallion, and thyme, ginger, pimento seed, and we're gonna rub that in and let it marinate for like an hour or two. This is what my chicken looks like after rubbing it up, massage it in. I'll let it marinate for like an hour. In the meantime, we'll put on the peas. That much good. To add garlic to tenderize the peas. Right now I'm just gonna season up my flour, add some meat season, chicken season, all-purpose season, and some more cayenne pepper to that. So we just gonna mix that up, mix it right up in our flour. So today I won't be using egg, I'll be using water. So the chicken are gonna look like KFC style chicken. I add a piece of pepper and garlic to my oil. So what I'm going to do now is dip my chicken leg. I'm gonna do my legs first. All my legs. Any more legs? First, so dip them in the flour, cover them up. Yes, just like this. Then shake them off, dip them in the water. So basically what you want to do is create layers. So your chicken will look like KFC chicken when it's done. Take it out, shake off the excess water. And repeat this process. But I'm just going to do it once. Just going to do it once. And then I'm going to add this to my oil. And yeah, so this is how they're looking now. So I'm going to add my pot cover and let them fry for about 5 to 8 minutes, then take it off and turn them and let them get to a nice golden brown color. I'm going to get started on my barbecue sauce. I'm adding some ketchup, some honey, and Craft barbecue sauce. This one that I'm using is in sweet honey. Adding a little soy sauce, and I'm going to add some salt and pepper to that and make it simmer on the low heat for about 5 or 8 minutes. And I'm also going to add some garlic and ginger minced up in that. Add a piece of thyme, add a piece of butter to that, and garlic, ginger, and a piece of thyme. And I reduce the heat on it, so it's going to be simmering for the next 5 minutes. And I went ahead and add my scallion and thyme pepper. You know, add salt, meat season, and season it up. Add my coconut milk. I'm going to let this cook and then add my rice. So add my barbecue sauce, and then I'm going to add my chicken to the oven for like about 5 minutes, and then take them out. After the 5 minutes is up, I'm going to take them out and brush them again and put them in again. This is the end result of my Bobby fried chicken. I do hope you guys enjoy this video and give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, share.